I am thankful for all of those who said no to me. It's because of them I am doing it myself. Albert Einstein. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new vocabulary. Scornful. Scornful. The pronunciation for this word is Scornful. Scornful. Scornful is an adjective because it describes a noun. Meaning for the word scornful is feeling or expressing contempt or derision. See, if you are scornful of something or someone, you show that you do not like or respect them. In a way that shows you have no respect for someone or something and think they are stupid. It is called scornful. Now let's look at the synonyms for the word scornful. These are contemptuous, derisive, full of contempt. These are the words which have the same meaning of the word scornful. So far we have discussed the pronunciation, meaning and synonyms for the word scornful. Now we are going to see the usage of the word scornful. Scornful words, scornful gesture, scornful remarks, scornful silence. Let's look at the word scornful in a sentence. She laughed scornfully. She laughed scornfully. He was openly scornful of the new project. It means he was openly contempt for this new project. So, scornful means feeling or expressing contempt or derision. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.